Have you ever felt bloated, sluggish, or heavy even after eating healthy meals? What if I told you your gut could be carrying years of built-up toxins, silently draining your energy, mood, and focus every single day? Dr. Sebi, the legendary herbalist, believed true healing begins in the gut, while Shaolin master Shi Heng Yi teaches that balance between the body and mind starts from within. But what happens when their two worlds, ancient alkaline cleansing and Zen energy purification, combine? In this video, we'll reveal a powerful 5-night gut cleanse inspired by both masters that can naturally reset your digestion, eliminate waste, and restore inner peace. By the end of this cleanse, your stomach won't just feel lighter, your entire being will feel reborn. Stay tuned, the secret starts tonight. For decades, doctors and healers have said that the gut is the second brain, but few people realize how much it truly controls your mood, energy, immunity, and even how clearly you think. Dr. Sebi understood this long before modern science confirmed it. He taught that disease cannot exist in an alkaline environment, and that toxic mucus created by acidic foods is the root cause of all illness. When the gut is clogged with this waste, digestion slows, nutrients aren't absorbed properly, and your body becomes a breeding ground for inflammation. You might notice constant bloating, fatigue after meals, or even skin breakouts that never seem to heal. These are not random, they're your gut's desperate cry for help. The good news is that by cleansing and resetting your digestive system, you can literally turn back the clock on your health in just 5 nights. The 5-night gut cleanse combines the wisdom of Dr. Sebi's alkaline diet with the mindful techniques of Shi Heng Yi. It's not just a physical detox, it's a total reset for your body and mind. On night 1, the process begins with something simple but powerful. Warm water infused with fresh lemon and a pinch of sea salt. Lemon acts as a natural liver stimulant and helps flush out old bile, while the salt restores mineral balance. Drink it slowly before bed while focusing on your breath. As Shi Heng Yi teaches, your breathing should be slow and deep, allowing your body to release tension and prepare for internal cleansing. This ritual sets the tone for the rest of the cleanse, peaceful, intentional, and deeply purifying. Night 2 moves a little deeper. Prepare an herbal tea made with Dr. Sebi-approved ingredients like burdock root, chamomile, and a touch of ginger. Burdock helps clean the blood, chamomile calms the digestive tract, and ginger improves circulation. As you sip the tea, sit upright, spine straight, shoulders relaxed. Breathe in for 4 counts, hold for 4, and exhale for 6. This mindful breathing technique from Shi Heng Yi increases oxygen flow, helping your body metabolize toxins faster. As you drift to sleep, your gut will already be in a state of gentle repair, healing from within. On night 3, the focus shifts to the mind-body connection. You'll continue your herbal tea, but add a simple 5-minute Zen breathing practice before bed. Sit comfortably with your eyes closed and place both hands over your abdomen. Inhale slowly through your nose and feel your belly rise. This is diaphragmatic breathing, the natural rhythm of your digestive organs. Exhale completely, letting go of all tension and thoughts. Dr. Sebi emphasized that stress is one of the biggest enemies of healing, and Shi Heng Yi agrees. The body cannot cleanse if the mind is chaotic. As you breathe, imagine every exhale carrying out the old, waste, anxiety, and fatigue, leaving your body cleaner and calmer with each breath. Night 4 is the turning point of the cleanse. You'll prepare an alkaline smoothie that nourishes and rebuilds the gut lining. Blend papaya, key lime juice, and sea moss gel with a small handful of spinach. Papaya contains natural digestive enzymes like papain that break down proteins and cleanse the intestines. Key lime restores alkalinity, and sea moss replenishes minerals like magnesium, calcium, and iodine that most people lack. Dr. Sebi always said, "You can't heal the body if the cells are starving." This smoothie feeds your cells with living energy. Shi Heng Yi would call it qi food, fuel that keeps your inner energy balanced. Drink it slowly, focusing on gratitude. Feel your stomach become lighter, cleaner, and stronger from the inside out. By night 5, you'll notice visible changes. Your stomach feels flatter, your skin glows, and your mind feels calm and clear. This final night is about deep restoration. Begin with a detox bath made from Epsom salt, baking soda, and a few drops of lavender oil. The magnesium from Epsom salt relaxes your muscles and helps draw toxins through the skin. As you soak, practice mindful breathing again. Inhale positivity. Exhale everything that no longer serves you. Once you're out of the bath, finish with a warm glass of alkaline water with a pinch of cayenne pepper to stimulate circulation and complete the cleansing cycle. Throughout these 5 nights, something incredible happens inside your body. The lining of your intestines begins to heal. Old food residue that may have been stuck for years starts to break down and leave your system. Your microbiome, those trillions of friendly bacteria, begin to thrive again. Your immune system gets stronger. Even your mood improves because serotonin, the happiness chemical, is mostly produced in the gut. Dr. Sebi's herbal detox clears the path while Shi Heng Yi's mindfulness keeps your energy flowing. Together, they restore harmony between your gut and your mind. But beyond the science, there's something spiritual about this process. Shi Heng Yi says, when the body is purified, the mind becomes still. Many people report experiencing emotional release during this cleanse, crying, deep relaxation, or a sense of peace they haven't felt in years. That's because the gut doesn't just store food, it stores emotion. Anger, fear, sadness, and anxiety all affect digestion. As you heal your gut, you also free yourself from those emotional toxins. You begin to see food not as fuel, but as medicine. You start craving lighter, cleaner meals naturally. And as your digestion resets, your energy rises to new levels. Now that your body has completed the 5-night gut cleanse, this is the moment where transformation truly begins. You see, detoxification isn't a one-time event. It's a bridge back to balance. Dr. Sebi believed that once you remove waste and acidity from the gut, your body becomes a self-healing system. The blood flows more freely, your cells begin to regenerate, and your organs finally get the rest they've been craving for years. Shi Heng Yi would describe this as returning to your natural rhythm, where digestion, breath, and energy move in harmony. This phase is all about maintaining that new rhythm so the benefits of your cleanse don't fade away. Because after 5 nights, your gut is clean, but your habits will determine whether it stays that way. As you wake up on the morning after your final cleanse, take a moment to notice how different your body feels. Your abdomen might feel flatter, lighter, or less inflamed. You may find that your skin looks clearer, your mind sharper, and even your mood more stable. This is no coincidence. Your gut and brain are connected through the vagus nerve, constantly communicating. When your gut is toxic, your thoughts become foggy and anxious. When your gut is clean, you feel emotionally grounded and mentally alert. That's why Dr. Sebi said, health begins in the gut and ends in the brain. Every time you eat or drink something now, imagine it sending a message to your mind, either one of chaos or clarity. The choice is yours. To maintain the results of your cleanse, start each day with a ritual of renewal. Drink a glass of warm lemon water or lime water before breakfast. It wakes up your digestive system and keeps your pH balanced. Next, follow that with slow breathing or gentle stretching inspired by Shi Heng Yi's morning qi practice. These small acts, they send signals to your nervous system that it's time to wake up peacefully, not in panic. Throughout the day, make your meals alkaline focused. Dr. Sebi's principle was simple. Avoid foods that create mucus and acid in the body, like dairy, refined sugar, meat, and processed snacks. Instead, fill your plate with living foods, leafy greens, fresh fruits, seeds, and whole grains like quinoa and amaranth. These are not just nutrients, they are electrical foods that fuel your body with energy and vibration. And don't forget the mind's role in digestion. Shi Heng Yi teaches that when you eat, your mind must also be calm. Eating while angry, stressed, or distracted confuses your gut and slows absorption. Try eating in silence for at least one meal a day. Chew slowly, taste each bite, and, breathe between mouthfuls. This isn't just mindfulness, it's medicine. The act of chewing triggers enzymes in your saliva that begin breaking down food before it even reaches your stomach. When you eat in this way, you honor your body's natural design. Over time, your digestion becomes effortless, your cravings stabilize, and your relationship with food transforms completely. Another key principle of maintaining your cleanse is hydration. Most people mistake thirst for hunger. Drink plenty of spring or alkaline water throughout the day, and if you like, add cucumber or mint for a natural electrolyte boost. Dr. Sebi emphasized the importance of electric hydration, water that still carries minerals, not the dead water that comes from plastic bottles. Shi Heng Yi would say that clean water purifies not just the body, but also the mind. When you hydrate consciously, you're cleansing your system with every sip. Now, here's where the real power of this practice shines. Your weekly gut renewal ritual. Choose one night each week to repeat a smaller version of the cleanse. It doesn't have to be extreme. Maybe it's just a night of herbal tea, meditation, and rest from heavy meals. These weekly resets keep your microbiome healthy, prevent buildup, and maintain mental clarity. Over time, your gut becomes your greatest ally, a strong, intelligent system that keeps your entire body in balance. But perhaps the most overlooked part of this journey is emotional detox. During your 5-night cleanse, you may have felt emotional shifts, memories resurfacing, tears flowing, or a strange sense of lightness. That's because your gut doesn't only digest food, it digests feelings. Fear, guilt, and grief all create tension in the abdomen. When the gut releases toxins, it also releases these stored emotions. Shi Heng Yi describes this as emptying the cup. You can't fill your life with peace if your body is full of old pain. So, as you continue this journey, make space each night to release, not just physically, but emotionally. Write, meditate, or sit in stillness and listen to your breath. Healing happens in silence. Many people who complete this 5-night cleanse report profound shifts beyond digestion. Some say their joint pain reduced, their sleep deepened, and their cravings for processed food disappeared. Others describe feeling connected again to their bodies, to nature, and even to their purpose. That's because the gut is not just an organ, it's a center of intuition. When it's clean, you can hear your body's true voice again. You start craving what you actually need, not what your toxic bacteria demand. This is the hidden wisdom of combining Dr. Sebi's alkaline science with Shi Heng Yi's Zen philosophy. One heals the physical, the other frees the spiritual. Together, they restore wholeness. As you continue in the days ahead, remember this truth. The journey to health is not about perfection. It's about connection. Every mindful sip of water, every deep breath, every clean meal is a small act of love toward your body. You've already proven that healing doesn't require expensive supplements or strict diets. It only requires awareness, discipline, and consistency. The 5-night gut cleanse was your reset button. Now it's your responsibility to stay aligned with it. Imagine yourself a few weeks from now, light, energetic, and peaceful. You move with ease, your digestion feels smooth, and your mind is free of fog. You've become the guardian of your own health, no longer dependent on pills or fads. Dr. Sebi's ancient knowledge and Shi Heng Yi's timeless wisdom have merged within you, creating balance between nature and consciousness. So tonight, take a deep breath, place your hand on your stomach, and feel the quiet power that now lives there. Your gut is healed, your energy is flowing, and your new chapter of vitality has just begun.